If you were taking the SAT and you solved this math question, how long would it take you to solve this? This question gives us one complicated looking equation with four constants in it, and we need to find the value of a plus b plus c. Now, if I solve this question, I would actually press the calculator button on the SAT testing software and do exactly this. Let's type this equation into Desmos and enter the question format too. So with the x1 and the squiggly lines at the equal sign, like this, so it finds the values of the constants for us, x1 plus 3 plus 6x. And now we need to make sure that the values of constant is also true for all values of x. I'm going to set equal to random numbers, actually. There's something new I haven't done yet. Random 5. And this also works. I'll tell you more about this later. But a plus b plus c, the answer is 72. So the reason why I did this, first of all, is because if I didn't do this, let me refresh this actually. Yeah, I'm gonna copy this so it doesn't go away. I'm gonna refresh this. And I can type this in again. You see the values of the constants it initially finds are wrong because they're only true for all values of x. Constants are constant, so they have to be constant when the variable varies, right? So if I said x1 equal to 5, all of the numbers change, right? Like this wasn't 14 before, right? Change it to 7, the numbers change again. So the values of constants change. So I need to make sure that the values of constants that Desmos finds for us is true for all the values of x. It's not only true for just x equals 7, it's also true for every single possible value of x. Now, the reason why I didn't do 1 dot 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 10 like I usually do is because this doesn't work. Because it's not solvable this way. We need to make sure the denominator doesn't equal 3. Okay, because then it would be undefined at this point. So that's why I avoid, because this gives me integers from 1 to 10. I mean, I could have done something like 5 to 10, I bet. Yeah, no, that works too. But I want to try something else new. This function creates a list of, and then list of random numbers between, I think, 0 and 1. And whatever number you put in the parentheses here is how many numbers it finds. So for example, I can make this a list, right? I could say x1, you can see the first item in this list is that number. Second item in this list is this number. So you just finds items in this list from 0 to 1, just random numbers. And that also works because I'm just finding random values of x and it's telling Desmos that whatever values constants you find has to be true for all these values. So it does that. And now the constants it finds is correct. And we can do a plus b plus c now. And that's the answer.